Welcome students, parents, and guardians. My name is Aulabaugh. This year at Inglemoor, I'm going to be teaching biology and marine biology, and I'm real excited to be working with you and your student this year. I want to take a moment just to kind of talk about some of the things I value, things like family, um, in education, having what's called a growth mindset that we're always learning, but also maintaining a healthy balance, this work-life balance and helping kids understand that school is kind of like work. And so how do we maintain um, the balance between those things? And also developing a sense of community in the classroom as learners and working together. I teach because I really enjoy and love working with students. I believe that they all can be successful. I want to create a culture of caring and support in the classroom where students are able to take risks, but while being able to make mistakes and experience success and learn from that. So I teach also because it's fun. I want to foster a love of learning to help students make connections between science and their own lives. Things that your students are going to be learning: how to be positive self-advocates for themselves. They're going to learn what good science is and what it looks like, and how to get organized, just to manage their everyday lives, manage their work, access the resources they need, using science journals, Schoology, email. I believe that communication is key. This partnership that we have together with me and the students, and you and I as well. And I prefer that it's proactive rather than reactive. Um, if you have questions or concerns or want to know how well your student is doing, information on your student's progress can be found in Parent View. That's the primary source. I do use Schoology though. I share information with students, things like Google Slides, any handouts. I'll put calendar dates on there for them to help remind them. But the primary place to go and check student grades is going to be Parent View. I use differentiated instruction to support students with 504s, IEPs, and also ICAP students. So we have different learning styles in the classroom, and we approach each of them differently. I understand that kids learn in different ways and at different rates. So it's most important to me that students can demonstrate their learning and be given the opportunity to revise and resubmit their work. Some things your students will need to be successful: a spiral bound notebook. We're going to be keeping notebooks with all our work. They should have one of these at this point, 90 to 100 pages, college ruled. Things like pens, pencils, and highlighters. They know what they need, so if you have questions about that, you can check with them. They also need check-ins from and with you, just to make sure they're on track. So on a day-to-day or weekly basis, if you're at all interested in finding out more about what your student is learning, just ask to see their notebooks. They should be able to take you on a guided tour through their notebooks to show you how it's set up, how it's organized, and also be able to explain what it is we're learning about through our journal entries. So if you have questions, feel free to contact me. I can be reached via email or even sending a message through Clever. I usually get back to you within 24 hours, if not the same day. So it tends to be the preferred method of communication. So I look forward to working with you. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your partnership. And I can't wait to be to get back to in-person teaching and learning this year. So thank you for your support.